4 reasons to live life with more intensity. If you're like most people, you were taught to live carefully, not to take risks, and to aim for security. Leaping into the unknown can feel reckless, even dangerous, but living a safe life, staying low-key is necessarily limiting. How can you reach your true potential and live a full life if you live in monochrome? Diving into intensity can be its own reward, but there are other good reasons to dial up the excitement in your life. 1. Finding your true self. A life lived on your own terms means you get to find out so much more about who you are and what you're capable of. Not many people break out of their comfortable social mold. Shucking off other people's expectations means you're free to be whatever you want. 2. You can be your full self. Living in the modern world often means closing off parts of yourself. It's not easy to work a regular job and be the next great novelist or Olympic athlete. Modern life forces you to choose, and often your true desires suffer as part of that trade-off. How many people have walked away from their dream job to do something that was expected of them, something perhaps more lucrative or respectable? Choosing to live intensely means you can blossom into your whole self. You can live your best, most authentic life. 3. Intensity inoculates you against fear. Living intensely requires you to feel the fear and do it anyway. You can still feel fear, but it doesn't control you. The skydiver feels fear before they jump, but they still jump. Perhaps most importantly, choosing a life with more intensity will free you from the fear of failure. Failure shrinks down to being part of your risk assessment and not something to stop you from doing anything fun. 4. You'll be completely free. Once you've chosen intensity, you'll learn what true freedom feels like. You're free from worrying about what other people think. You're free to choose your own path. You're free to succeed at whatever you want to do. Your comfort zone is suddenly limitless. You can let go of rules and restrictions and leap into the opportunities that are all around you. Instead of putting off your dreams into some distant future where you have enough money or the kids have gone off to college, you can do it right now. Suddenly you're in a world of possibilities. It's up to you to be open and ready to make the most of them.